This is my mini fridge that I got. And I'm going to tell you what, this little thing is so awesome. I'm one, I like to keep everything in the box. So, yes, I do have my box here. You can open it up, and I have used it. Sorry about that. And thought I had it pretty clean. But your shelf comes out. So, I could actually, it says like a 6-pack, but I can get a couple of more. Well, one more in there with the tray out. But it is top quality made. And then you have this little rack here in your door. And you use the 12-volt to plug it in your cigarette lighter, which is here. You plug it in the back. So this one would go here. And then to plug it in the wall, which I very seldom ever use this, but you would plug it in here on this side. And that's basically it. You know, you just set this button here to where if you want hot or you want cold. And I guarantee you, the way it is right now, outside, as hot as it is, everybody needs one of these to put in their car. I love it. It's got your motor right back here. It's got your air vents on both sides. And it is top quality made. I've even dropped it a couple of times. And of course you got your little instruction paper, but what's there not to know about it? I do highly recommend this little refrigerator, cooler,